So I'm going to teach you how to change your status on Microsoft Teams. Whether you want to show that you're available, busy, or away, knowing how to adjust your status is key for effective communication and collaboration. Let's get started. First, sign into Microsoft Teams. If you're not already logged in, open the Teams application or head to the Microsoft Teams website. Click the sign in button and enter your email and password associated with your account. If you ever have trouble signing in, double check your internet connection and credentials or reach out to support for help. Once you're signed in, locate your profile icon in the upper right corner of the Teams interface. Clicking it opens a drop-down menu. This menu is handy because it contains several important settings and options that can improve your Teams experience. With the menu open, you'll see your current status displayed. It might show as available or reflect the last status you set. Click on your current status to see all the options. Here you can choose how you appear to your colleagues. The status options usually include available, busy, do not disturb, be right back, and appear away. Select the one that best matches your current situation. For example, if you're in a meeting or focusing on a task, do not disturb is ideal. If you're stepping away for a short break, be right back signals your temporary unavailability. These statuses don't just show your presence, they help set expectations and minimize unnecessary messages or calls. After selecting your desired status, it updates automatically. It might take a few seconds, so don't worry if you don't see the change immediately. This lets your colleagues know when you're available, helping communication run smoothly. And that's it. Changing your status in Microsoft Teams is simple but powerful. Regularly updating it ensures your team knows when they can reach you, making collaboration much easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.